Chief Meteorologist Brian Hale / teacher is making sure everybody's informed about Spring Weather Safety Week. Brian.
That's right. It's a good idea to remind yourself that in spring, lots of crazy things can happen with the weather forecast. So let's take a look at what today's topic is, and that would be windstorm and tornado safety. You know, we can have some of the darndest straight line winds around here, and every now and again, and I mean very, very infrequently, we can even have tornado damage from tornadoes associated with aggressive thunderstorms and generated by hurricanes, more likely that. Now, follow the forecast. That's the most important thing. Monitor the alerts. If there's a thunderstorm watch or a tornado warning or anything like that, monitor it closely. Stay indoors if a storm is threatening your home, your area, and be sure to stay away from the windows while you're indoors and avoid power lines after the event. Those can be deadly when they're just lying there. Some could still be live. 68 degrees overnight tonight. Yeah, mild, gusty, little southeast breeze there, 10 to 15, gusting to 20. We could also pick up a little coastal fog for our efforts there, or anytime overnight tonight into the morning hours. So if you're going to be near the coast, keep that in mind. Otherwise, tomorrow morning starts out mild, 68 to 72 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies, but still pretty nice out there. 81 degrees by noon. Southeast wind will be working with available sunshine to warm us up into the mid-80s in the mid-valley and the upper 80s in the upper valley. Yeah, nice warm day again. All right, southeast wind 15 to 25 tomorrow afternoon and gusting to 35 miles an hour as we have a frontal boundary approaching the region. Our southeast winds increasing to meet that. It'll be a warm wind, that's for sure. Take a look at Hidalgo County breakdown with that southeast wind routine. 88 degrees McAllen, 89 degrees La Jolla. Yeah, another warm one. We hit 90 today at McAllen. It was 91 yesterday. So again, well above normal, which is 80 degrees for this time of year. The frontal boundary coming on down on Friday is going to shove its way through the valley in the afternoon toward evening, and that will open the door for a cooler, drier wind coming out of the north. But it's going to take a little while, a few hours for that to all gel. So the front moves through in the afternoon, but I think the cooler temperatures lag behind just a little bit overnight, Friday night into Saturday. Look at Saturday's afternoon temperatures. Instead of 90, we're looking at 74, 75, 76, and along the coast, 65 to 66. On Sunday, we're at 70 mid-valley, 73 upper valley, and still the mid-60s along the coast. It's the water temperature in the Gulf that helps that. Now we're looking at the 7-day forecast with the good news and the bad news. The good news is we've got a great weekend. Borderfest is going to be fantastic. A little breezy on Saturday, though. And the bad news, we got a spring ahead Saturday night, 1 hour for daylight saving time. You lose an hour of sleep. Wah, wah.
But you gain sunshine.
Oh, goody.
Because you get an extra hour of daylight.
That's right.
And for people that deal with seasonal depression or just don't like to see the sun go away so early.
Yeah, okay.
This is very good.
You're going to get all serious about it.
We have to be optimistic,
Okay.
Brian.
Yes.
All right. We have more good stories for you coming up after the break.